Hello, this is Adam, the car seat tech and baby gear expert here at the pump station in Nursery. And we've got the Thule Urban Glide 4. We're going to assemble it and put it out on the floor. So if you guys want to come take a look at it and see if it's the right stroller for you, you can go ahead and visit us here in Santa Monica. Let's get this open. So here we are, the Thule Urban Glide 4 is ready for you guys to come see. So visit us at 2727 Main Street in Santa Monica. And remember, you do get your pump station perks when you purchase a stroller from us. We do the free assembly for you, and if you schedule an appointment ahead of time, we can even make sure that the tires are filled with air properly, so that way the stroller is ready to go. And if you're not local, you can always visit our website, pumpstation.com. We ship all around the country. Hopefully, we'll see you soon.